Ever felt like no matter how much you work, you're always broke? Like your paycheck disappears before the month even starts, and you're constantly stressed, avoiding your bank app like it's bad news? Here's the thing, this isn't just about money. It's about mindset. The way you think about money could be the very thing keeping you stuck. In this video, I'm breaking down the hidden beliefs sabotaging your success, and how shifting just one thing in your thinking can start changing everything else. You're closer to financial peace than you think. But first, you have to see what's holding you back. If you're not where you want to be financially, it's not just about how much you earn or spend. Your mindset around money, the beliefs and habits you've built over the years, plays a bigger role than most people realize. Changing how you think about money can be the difference between staying stuck and building the life you want. Here are 10 reasons why updating your money mindset isn't just helpful, it's necessary. 1. Your thoughts shape your financial reality. What you believe about money tends to play out in your actual financial life. If you think money is scarce, you'll act like it is, passing up opportunities, hoarding every dollar, or avoiding investment out of fear. On the other hand, if you believe money is a tool and that you can grow it, you're more likely to take smart risks and learn from setbacks. Changing your mindset helps shift your reality. 2. Most money beliefs come from childhood, and they're outdated. Many of us carry around beliefs we picked up from our families. Money doesn't grow on trees, rich people are greedy, we're just not good with money. These phrases stick with us long after they stop being useful. The problem? They shape your decisions, often in subtle ways. Taking time to examine where your money beliefs come from and whether they still serve you is a game changer. 3. Fear-based thinking keeps you playing small. If you avoid looking at your bank account, never invest because it feels too risky, or turn down financial opportunities because you're afraid of failing, your mindset might be keeping you stuck. Fear is a lousy financial advisor. A healthier mindset helps you shift from "what if I mess this up" to "what can I learn from this?" That mental shift opens the door to growth. 4. A scarcity mindset can lead to self-sabotage. Ever get a bonus and immediately blow it on things you didn't really want? Or feel guilty when you do have money, so you get rid of it as fast as you can? That's often scarcity thinking at work. When you're used to being broke, having money can feel uncomfortable. It's easier to go back to your old normal, even if that means making poor choices. Changing your mindset helps you learn to feel at home with wealth. 5. Your money habits start with your money identity. If you see yourself as bad with money, you'll act like it. You'll avoid budgeting, ignore your debt, and not trust yourself with financial decisions. On the flip side, when you start thinking of yourself as someone who handles money well, even if you're still learning, you'll start building the habits that match that identity. Mindset doesn't just follow behavior, behavior follows mindset, too. 6. Financial goals don't stick without the right mindset. Setting goals like "I want to save more" or "I want to get out of debt" is great, but without a mindset that supports those goals, they rarely last. If deep down you don't believe you deserve financial security, or you think you're doomed to fail, you'll find ways to sabotage progress. Shifting your mindset builds the foundation for lasting change, not just temporary motivation. 7. You can't budget your way out of a bad relationship with money. Budgeting tools, spreadsheets, and savings apps are helpful, but they won't fix a broken money mindset. If your financial struggles come from guilt, fear, avoidance, or low self-worth, no amount of technical skill will truly help until those mental blocks are addressed. Change how you think, and the practical tools will work a lot better. 8. A growth mindset helps you see money as a skill. A fixed mindset says, "I'm just not good with money." A growth mindset says, "I can learn how to manage money better, even if I've made mistakes." That shift is powerful. Instead of beating yourself up over past debt or missed opportunities, you start looking at your financial life as a work in progress, something you can improve with effort and time. It's not about perfection, it's about progress. 9. Mindset affects more than just money, it touches every part of life. When your money mindset shifts, it doesn't just improve your finances. It can also reduce stress, boost your confidence, and improve your relationships. Why? Because money is tied to freedom, security, and how we see ourselves. When you feel more in control of your finances, you're more likely to speak up, take risks, and make decisions from a place of strength instead of fear. 10. The sooner you start, the sooner things can change. This isn't something to put off for someday. Every week, month, or year you spend in a disempowered money mindset costs you, not just in dollars, but in opportunities, peace of mind, and personal growth. The good news is that mindset shifts can start now. You don't have to wait until you've figured it all out. You can begin by simply noticing your current beliefs and choosing new ones that serve you better. It doesn't mean pretending everything's fine when it isn't, or magically expecting money to fall into your lap. A healthier money mindset looks more like this. Believing you're capable of managing and growing your money. Understanding that mistakes are part of learning, not a sign you're doomed. Feeling comfortable looking at your financial numbers, even when they're not pretty. Separating your self-worth from your net worth. Staying open to learning and improvement, no matter where you're starting from. If you're ready to change how you think about money, here are a few simple first steps. 1. Notice your money stories. Pay attention to the things you say or think about money. Are they supportive or limiting? Where did they come from? 2. Challenge the negative ones. If you catch yourself thinking, "I'm just not good with money," push back. Say, "I'm learning how to manage money better every day." 3. Surround yourself with growth. Read books, listen to podcasts, or follow people who talk about money in empowering ways. The more you're exposed to new ways of thinking, the easier it is to shift. 4. Celebrate small wins. Pay off a credit card? Save $100? Track your expenses for a week? Celebrate it. Positive reinforcement builds new habits. 5. Practice gratitude and generosity. Being thankful for what you have and finding ways to be generous, even in small ways, helps train your brain to focus on abundance, not lack. In conclusion, you don't need to wait until you're rich, debt-free, or ready to work on your mindset. In fact, the mindset shift often needs to come first. When you start thinking differently about money, everything else starts to follow. You make better choices. You take different actions. You bounce back quicker when things go sideways. So if something in your financial life isn't working, ask yourself, is it the numbers, or is it how I think about the numbers? Chances are, changing your money mindset might be the most important financial move you make this year. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.